How to add a black bar effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit tab. Select the clip where you want to add the black bars. Now, click on the clip in the timeline to make sure it's selected. Next, go to the Inspector panel on the top right. If it's not visible, click on Inspector to open it. Scroll down until you find the cropping options. Now, under the cropping section, adjust the top and bottom values. Try entering around 120 for both to get the classic black bars. You can change this number based on how thick you want the bars to be. Once you have set the top and bottom crop, your video will have those black bars at the top and bottom, creating the widescreen effect. The best part is that it doesn't affect the actual video resolution, so everything stays sharp. If you want the black bars on multiple clips, you can either copy and paste the attributes or apply it on an adjustment clip. Just go to the effects panel, search for adjustment clip, drag it onto a track above your main clip, and then apply the crop settings to that adjustment clip instead. This way it affects everything underneath it. And that's it. Now you know how to add a black bar effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.